Hi, my name's Neil French. This is my product, Steel Tuff Rural Fencing Solutions. Made in Australia by Australians for Australians. I'm a farmer and I'm a manufacturer, and as you can see we've got pretty rough sort of country, and we thought we'll design a post that you can use in any conditions. It won't bend. These posts are made out of a material called ZAM. It's self-sealing. It'll last 5 times longer than a galvanised post in any conditions. The design of them is that they're bruise-free for stock. The stock hit them and they flex a little bit, but not a lot. They won't crack and they don't move in the ground. You can use them for sheep, cattle, goats, and also for horses. Horses will never get caught on them and cut themselves. We made 30 or even more different designs. We'd bring them home, try them. If it didn't work, we'd go back to the drawing board and make another one. Bring it home, try it, until we came up with this design.
We've just started using them and we've found them very effective and easy to use. And for me, that's the most important thing. Time's an issue, so we want to be able to just get a fence in and up and done and not have to go back and touch it.
Most fencing by farmers today is done by contractors. Contractors will find this easy to install. It'll cost the farmer less in time. Everything just bolts together. You don't have to point the posts. The posts are already pointed. You just come along, mark your fence out and bang them in, whereas with a pine post you have to point them, which takes a lot longer in time. These posts are made in a factory in Bayswater, Victoria, and it's been an ongoing process for years to design it, make it, and then finally sell it. We used to make them by hand, and then it got to a stage where we'd settled on our design. So we went to a roll former in Brisbane, and we had a roll form machine made, which took 12 months to make. It's Australian made, and as you can see on the posts, it's one piece of material. There's no welds, no joins. It's roll formed and packed and delivered to the farmer.
The product is fantastic. It's very exciting to see it grow from where it is to where it is now, where we're ready to release the product. It's really exciting. Everything we can get produced locally, we do. Nothing offshore. All our moulds and dies have been made in Australia. The machine's been made in Australia. BHP steel for our brackets and strainers. All Australian made. You get a lot of pride out of selling Australian to Australians.
These posts are once in a lifetime fencing. It's price competitive with what else is on the market, and we think that you put it in once and you don't have to come back and do it in 10 years' time. It's in, finished, gone. Everybody that sees it thinks that the product's magnificent because it's made of material that'll outlast galvanised posts, outlast pine posts and concrete posts. And just the design of it, it's different. It's totally different to anything else on the market.